all students, employees, and alumni, the Center for Integrated Communications launched the UMAC Songwriting Competition in February 2025. The competition invites original compositions with lyrics in full English, Filipino, or a combination, provided they do not contain offensive, explicit, or inappropriate language or words with registered trademarks or brand names. The artist must also be entirely original, never before used in any competition, commercially released, or commissioned by a third party. Additionally, the melody and arrangement should not be adapted from any existing music on digital platforms of Spotify or YouTube.
By submitting an entry, participants get UMAC the right to publish, perform, record, distribute, and revise the winning song for promotional, educational, and cultural purposes. UMAC retains sole worldwide rights to modify, rearrange, or improve the composition without further compensation or notice. Entrants will also assume full responsibility for any copyright infringement and will indemnify UMAC against any legal consequences for their submission. As we move forward into 2025, the University of Makati also marks the full implementation of its new vision to be a premier globally recognized local university where
Ayan ang mga mag-perform. Oh, eto si Michael Jackson ng Makati.
Si Elvis Presto.
Ayan si Elvis Presto. Eto si Nanette Inventor.
Nanette Inventor. Ito si...
Ayan, Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Gusto mo Bruno Mars.
Shaping future ready leaders, pride, discipline,
Ito si Ma'am Cynthia.
social
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sampagita.
Sampagita. Pwede ba? Pwede.
Eto, paggulo.
History and its bright future, the university has officially launched its tagline, Rise, Shine, and Wear. This tagline embodies the spirit of the university's vision and values, capturing how UMAC strives to empower its community to rise with purpose, shine with pride, and make a meaningful impact from its roots to the world. Let's welcome the UMAC Dance Sport and the winner of the UMAC Songwriting Competition, Mr. R.J. Solari.